Hey there, Rachel. Mary Duncan with X Timing Cox Automotive. So I wanted to send you a quick video here to show you what I was seeing when I was on your website when we were on our call. So here I'm at your website, right? And you've got a schedule service button right here. Let's scroll down. You've also got a schedule service button here. When I go to click on this schedule service button, I get this error message. CIDB service decode failure, invalid root key. So then I went up to your service tab up here and I clicked on your schedule service button here. Got the same error. If I scroll down and I try to schedule service from this button, I get the same error. So let's go to service department. Schedule service here. I don't get that error message, but I don't get a scheduler. So definitely something going on. I am not sure who your scheduler is, but your website provider is Dealer Inspire, which all I did was scroll down here and it's right here. But if you have any other questions, happy to help. I can be reached at 312-317-8519, 312-317-8519. Oh, one other thing. I did go on your mobile site as well. So I went on and searched your website on my phone, and same errors. So it's on both your mobile site and your website. All right. Nice talking to you. Take care. Bye-bye.